Hello, welcome guys. I am Nikki and you are watching Technical Nikki YouTube channel, and welcome to the 8th tutorial of our series C++ programming. And in this video we will discuss about the bitwise complement, okay, that is belong to the bitwise operators. That is the second part of bitwise operators, okay. Well, I have discussed I made a mistake in the last video because that I uses this subtract symbol instead of the complement, so there was the mistake, so sorry for that guys. And in this video I will cover the mistake or execute the program completely, okay. So let's start the tutorial without wasting any time. So the bitwise complement operator is a unary operator and it is denoted by the complement, this symbol that available from the left side corner, left side upper corner under the escape key, okay. And that change the binary digit 1 to 0 and 0 to 1, okay. It change our digit 1 to 0 and 0 to 1, like that. If we have 0, then it changes to 1, 0 to 1, and 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. That is bitwise complement, okay guys. Let's consider the example 35, and its binary form is this 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, okay. And using sorry, here bitwise I have made a mistake. So using bitwise complement operator, its complement will be we use the complement first, that is the ones complement, okay. For this form, binary form, and after complement it presents like this 1 1. It converts 0 to 1 and 1 to 0, 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 0, okay guys. And we have the second part of this bitwise complement, that is the second twos complement or the second complement. So as we have available, sorry, here, so in binary arithmetic, ones complement changes 0 to 1 and 1 to 0, okay. And if we add 1 to the result of ones complement, if we add 1 in this result like that in the binary form, okay, not like arithmetically or something, so it will be called add 1 result of complement, we get seconds. Oh, sorry for that guys. Okay, now that is the we get to seconds complement of the original number, okay. Like that, consider the following example 46, and its binary form is 0 1 0 1 1 0 0, and ones complement is the converts the 1 to 0 and 0 to 1, like that. And if we second complement, if we add 1 into the result of ones complement, then it like will call second complements. If we add 1 or 1 in the binary form, that it will be we can say that 10 or the it presents to 0, and for the carry 1 and the 1 and 1 again 0 and 0 and 1 1 and 0 0 0 0, and the everything will be as the same, and the last two digits will be changed, okay. So let's consider a program for the complement, and we will prepare this program, okay, like that. And I make a biggest, oh sorry, I did a biggest mistake guys. Oh, what is happening? Yes, like that. Now that's great, okay. So now we'll get the answer for 30 and 49. It will be print plus 49, okay. So let's execute the program, and we will get minus 31 and the plus 49, okay. And let me tell you guys what is happening in this program. We have one positive value, okay. So as we know that it make 0 to 1 and 1 to 0, if that is the positive one, so it convert it into the negative. In the binary form, we will add 1 into the second complement, so it will be converted into the negative form, or the negative one will be converted into the positive but decrement, and this will be increases with the negative form. Okay guys, so that was the mistake that I have made into the last video, so sorry for that guys. And I know that I did this mistake, and this mistake is very big mistake, so sorry for that. And hope guys now you understand the bitwise complements. And in the next video we will make a we will discuss about the right shift and the left shift bitwise operators. So thank you guys, I will see you again in the next video, and thanks for watching.